One of the most common questions that gets asked on loss control is, do you get certificates of insurance from all your subcontractors? Typically, people misinterpret that to mean, are we talking subcontractors like when I send material off-site to a heat treater or to a metal finisher? No, that's not the type of subcontractor we're talking about. You're dealing by purchase order, by contract. They are another corporation. They're not on your site. They are by law required to carry their own workers' comp, their own liability insurance, and that's not your issue. What we're referring to is subcontractors that are on your site, a roofer that comes to do repair, an air conditioning contractor that comes to do work. It even gets down to that person that comes and does cleaning service for you at night. Now here's the law. If they have employees, they must carry workers' comp insurance. You do always want to get the certificate of insurance for their workers' comp, and you also want a certificate for general liability insurance showing that they have it, naming you as an additional insured. Case in point, real issue, real claim. Client called out a roofer because they had an issue on the roof, and there were to be some sheets, 4-foot by 8-foot plywood to be replaced on the roof. One of the roofers came and stepped through the roof, injured his leg through the step through. Workers' comp covered it. The roofer's workers' comp did. Then the employee turned around and sued my client, claiming that my client sent the roofer up on the roof in an unsafe condition. Now, argument is, you're a roofer. We hired you to repair the roof. We knew that that roof had a problem. That's why we sent you up there. Doesn't matter. Didn't stop the employee from suing my client. Had my client taken a certificate of insurance from that roofer that named my client as an additional insured, the roofer's general liability policy would have to have responded to that claim, and they would have had to defend my client. As it was, my client's general liability insurance had to step up and deal with that claim. Always get certificates of insurance.